So you have $1 million product idea. Now comes the part that can make or break your Amazon product launches. And that is to source your product from the right supplier. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can actually spy on my competition supplier and eliminate my sourcing risk. I'm Rick Wong, an Amazon seller and the founder of SellerMetrics, an Amazon PPC agency. And if you are interested in content such as this one, where we talk about the latest Amazon FBA news, tips, and hacks, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, before I go step by step on how to spy on your competition supplier, you need to know how important it is to have the correct suppliers. Having the right suppliers can lower the risk of fraud and also lower the product quality issues. Even in 2023, supplier fraud is still quite common, so all Amazon sellers should be vigilant and should think about using a supplier or actually visiting the supplier beforehand before any money is transferred. As you know, we cannot get away with a poorly made product on Amazon. And sourcing from a supplier that produces a 4-star or higher product eliminates this risk. Okay, so let's get right into it. First of all, you need the following to perform this task. First of all, you need Helium 10 extension, so that would be the Chrome extension. And then you need an account with Import Yeti. So that would be www.importyeti.com. This website is basically the secret sauce to what we're doing. You should have your product already pre-researched, so you kind of basically know the main search term for it to search on Amazon. Okay, you will enable the Helium 10 extension, and by using the Helium 10 extension, this will allow you to see which country the seller is based out of. Get on the Amazon search results page, do a search for your product. So in my example for you, I'm going to search for Bedbridge. The key here is to find a listing that are based either in US or Europe and have a relatively higher review rating than the rest. Why I want you to search for a seller based in US or Europe is because the actual business name will be in English. Because if you search for a Chinese seller's business name, it would come up in letters that are not comprehensible. You will go into the product listing page, then click on the sold by, and on sold by, it will take you to the business information of the seller. And scrolling a little further down below the seller ratings, you could see the business information. Copy the business name and also keep note of the address. You could use that to further cross-verify. Next, you will go to Import Yeti, and assuming you have already created an account, enter the business name and search. You can see the first result matching up, and then click in the results. There you will see the supplier. You could further narrow down the correct supplier by looking at the product description. And in our case, that would be the Bedbridge, and that would be the second result. So I think this is all very cool, but keep note that there is quite a few instances where you probably cannot find the supplier name with the business name that you find on Amazon. And that is because sometimes businesses use a different import business name, or if they request for their import information to be confidential. So using this method do require a bit of search and a bit of detective work. You know, to end this off, I really hope that this gives Amazon seller a bit more confidence in their product launch, knowing that they have a strong product in hand from a proven supplier. Because, you know, getting your product ranked and seeing 1-star reviews start flooding in can potentially kill your business. And I have personally experienced that. So having the right supplier really matters. And talk about product launches, you can check out my recent video on 7 ways to increase your Amazon sales in 2023. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're an Amazon seller and want to grow your business by Amazon PPC, schedule a call with me on the link below. Until the next video, happy selling. Hope to see you soon.